basically the whole idea is that instead of plugging in the HFK dash cams directly into the battery and then having to turn it on, turn it off every single time, potentially forgetting and then maybe draining the battery, you plug it into the accessory fuse slot. And the way to do it is with this little extra piece that you have to buy it from an automotive store or online, and then you splice in the accessory wire into it. And that's fairly straightforward. You just kind of basically snip this off, strip the wire, twist it, insert it into this little piece right here, and then crimp it down. You just basically need one of these tools, which is a wire stripper basically, but you could do it with a blade if you're careful, and pliers if you really wanted to. So it's really, if you don't have that tool, kind of DIY it. And now you can see that it's in here, and then this has an extra slot for a fuse, so you put 2 fuses in here, and then now it's wired into the fuse. So every time you turn on the motorcycle, the accessory plug receives power, and you get power and automatically turn on the cameras. So let's see what that looks like on the bike. So once you've got your little fuse accessory extension thingy connected to the wire, what you want to do is locate a good spot where to insert this. So I use these are the fuse boxes for the Tiger Sport 660, and I'm using this port right here. Remove the one that's in there. You're going to need it because you're going to put this back in. Then you install the fuse. You see the power is not coming on. Make sure that, of course, the unit is connected to the battery, black to the negative, red to the positive, and the battery is connected to the motorcycle, obviously. And then you turn on the ignition key, and it should come on. You'll hear the beep, and it's recording. And of course, once you turn off the key, like I do now, the power comes off, not recording anymore, and you're done. And now it's not draining the battery. So at this point, you want to reinstall the original fuse in there. Reinstall your fuse. This is going to have to stay open, obviously, but you could probably zip tie it together or tape it together and make sure that it doesn't keep bouncing up and down like this. And test it out one more time. Power's on. Beep. Recording. Power off. Beep. And power's off.